special edition of Central Florida's Morning News. Hurricane Charlie. Here's Jim Turner.
Good morning. It's 8 o'clock, and our top local story this hour, Charlie beefing up, moving closer. WDW's St. Paul and Marcia Taylor begin our live team coverage.
He's no sissy. National Weather Service says wind gusts have been recorded up to 124 miles per hour over Cuba when the storm passed. It's expected to come ashore north of Tampa. Here's WDWO hurricane expert Dr. Joe Sobel. What can we expect?
Could be the nastiest storm that's hit the Tampa Bay area in many a decade.
Now, what's going to happen here in Central Florida?
Primary risk around these parts is heavy rainfall and a locally damaging wind, and a tornado watch is issued already for parts of Central and all of South Florida.
Charlie is still a strong Category 2 hurricane. If you're following her and want to track coordinates, it's WDVO.com.
AM 580 WDVO News Time, 8:01.
I'm Michelle Wright. Nikki is gearing up for a visit from Charlie. Disney World will have abbreviated hours. The story coming up.
In the path of Charlie, Jim goes live to Key West and the Gulf Coast, coming up at 8:10 on Central Florida's Morning News.
If you have to go to work today, feel free to use I-4. You'll find a smooth ride. Volume I-4 eastbound at the St. Johns River Bridge is heavy, but again, not as heavy as your usual morning rush hour. We'll take a look at the west side in 6 minutes.
I'm meteorologist Jack Boston. The official AM 580 WDVO forecast. Flood watch, tropical storm warning west, and a tropical storm watch in Orlando. High winds and heavy rains and thunderstorms for today. The complete 5-day forecast coming up at 22 and 52 after.
Actually, right now, not much rain to report over Central Florida on the Channel 9 early morning out the high 1000. Regards all well to the south of us. Headed this way, it is cloudy, 77 at WDVO. Now more team coverage of our top local stories in St. Paul and Marcia Taylor.
As in the schools decided to close yesterday, the theme parks, well, the decisions are coming in. AM 580 WDVO's Michelle Wright continues our team coverage.
Disney officials have made the call to have an abbreviated day. The Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and MGM Studios will be open from 8 to 1. Animal Kingdom will remain closed today. Disney's Jackie Pollock says if you're thinking of heading out there because there's no school, you might want to make other plans.
Definitely, we are encouraging local residents and off-site guests to reschedule their theme park visits until the inclement weather passes.
If you're a cast member, though, Pollock says you should come in regardless if your work area is open or not, and questions will be answered once you arrive. Universal and SeaWorld are both scheduled to be open for the entire day right now, but if that changes, we'll let you know. Michelle Bright, News Talk AM 580 WDBO.
Maleficent.
Hello.
How are you this evening today?
Wonderful.
Why are you bringing a hurricane to us?
A little bit of fun and interesting.
There's going to be a terrible wind later.
Yes, there is. I may end up staying here instead of flying back to London tonight. Guess we'll have to get caught in all that wind.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, due to inclement weather and for your safety, the Magic Kingdom will be closing at 1 p.m. today. Thank you and have a magical day.
Well, basically, it's just splashed out of the bank. It hasn't really made the surge onto land. But it's the rain that's really coming down that's creating some flooding areas. Nothing really heavy at this particular time, but a few tunnels here and there that you have to walk through to get anywhere around here right now.
You can see now bearing down on the west coast of Florida.
It sure is, Rich. Here's the radar imagery, most recent radar imagery. It's coming right in to Port Charlotte Harbor now, and this surge flooding could be very significant here. Keep in mind, even down here near Fort Myers, there's a big band of rain coming in there. That's going to cause the winds to come up very quickly.
Do you think these people have any idea what's heading for them?
Everybody is now cleared out of the pool.
Hurricane Charlie hit the coast just before 4 o'clock this afternoon.
Okay, you're cool.
He got hit right there.
We're officially state of emergency. Lightning just hit.
Where?
Just missed it.
Hey, when the wind breaks, you guys come over to our side. We're on the good side of the building.
Hold on, Rob. Dude, we can do this around. We can go around. Give that door about cleaning it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you know what? That's all we need to come in. Holy shit. What's it over here, Dave?
Hmm?
Holy shit, it sounds scary.
What?
The vibrations out here.
100 injured, but we do not know the extent of the injuries. We too.
Hurricane Charlie. Hi, how you doing? Have fun dying, bro. Smile. Dying, you go. Having fun? Smile. You ever been through anything like this before? This your first hurricane? First timer. Smile. All right, we came this far. Having fun? Okay, oh, I just have water go down my, okay, that's it.
Rooted. The other one.
Looks like there's a giraffe coming up ahead on the right side of the road. A few giraffes. Giraffes are the tallest